Hello, my beautiful people. This is that time of the year that we think. Okay. We think, some might call it resolution or revolution, or whatever you call it. It's the time of the year that we think of the things we did well, our plans that we achieved, the ones we did not achieve. How do we rearrange our life? What are the things we remove from our lives? And what are the things we add to our lives? This is that time of the year, and personally, I am going to start from myself what I feel I should remove from my life. Yeah, number one, improper thoughts inside my head, like I am not good enough. Do you understand? Yeah, I've decided to have a different mindset about myself. That is thinking of myself more positively. Though I have never been a negative person. People that know me very well knows that I have no business with negativity, but I feel I'm not doing it enough. That is, I'm not doing it enough. I need to be more positive about myself. Like feeling that I did not do it right, I would have done it differently. I am not good enough. I am some people can do this better. No. This coming year, by God's grace, I've decided to have this mindset that if I cannot do it, no one else can. Yeah. In other words, if people that are doing it have one head and I have one head, therefore I have no excuse why I shouldn't do it. So I want to be more positive about myself. Yes, love myself more. Feel good about myself more. Take myself out the more. I am this person that always take myself out. Like go take myself out for shopping, shop for myself, tell myself, baby girl, pick what you want. Yeah. I take myself to restaurants. Yeah, baby girl, eat whatever you want. You've worked hard, eat well. That is me. Now, next year, by God's grace, I am going to do more. Okay? That is one thing, because anytime I take myself out or anytime I buy things for myself, I used to feel great. I used to feel very good. Like, oh, baby girl, you tried. You did well. Like, you took yourself out, you bought things for yourself, like you are doing it well, So second thing is, second thing I want to remove from my life is negative assumptions about others or their intents. When somebody have not said a thing, don't assume that this is what he would have said, or assume that this is the reason why he or she did this. No, I am not going to have that kind of assumptions again. What I did not see in you, or what you did not say is your own cup of coffee, is none of my business. Yes, anything you have not come to me one-on-one and say it. If you like, blow it in a trumpet somewhere else, is your business. I don't want to put my head or eyes into such things again. So I will be intentional about these things. Yeah. As long as you've not said it to me, it doesn't concern me, or it's none of my business. So that's what I'm going to do. I need to be more positive about myself. I need to be intentional about how I feel, or my take on what people are thinking or saying. Your intentions are your intentions and not mine. So I shouldn't have any business with you, what your intentions are. You understand? All these assumptions, I know that's why he did it. I know that's why she did it. No. This coming year, by God's grace, I have no time for that bullshit. Yes. So, number 3 thing I want to remove from my life is lashing out at others for nothing or over nothing. Those things, why I said over nothing? Over nothing is because of the new mindset I'm carrying, or I want to carry, because Nobody lashes out on someone without a reason. You understand? But me, I want to feel that there is no reason. If I feel that there is no reason, therefore, in other words, I'm saying that no more lashing out. So if you did anything, or if you have done anything that I don't feel good about, or that I don't like, then I will look, in short, I will just assume that that is how your level are. That is your level. And you can't drag me to your level. Yeah. Because lashing out is like trying to pull someone out from a dungeon when the person is not ready to come out. So this year, I'm going to be minding my business more. If you are in a dungeon, or if you are in a pit and you are there messing up, so that I'll come and shout, that is dragging you now, dragging me down to your pit, or dragging me to your level. That is nonsense. I won't do that this year. I won't do that this year. These are the negative things I want to remove from my life. And may God help me, amen. For all the positive things. Oh my God, achievement. I want to achieve more. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. You are not concentrating on that food. Though that food was something else. Oh my God. You know that kind of food that after eating, you don't feel like drinking water, so that the taste of that food won't leave your mouth. This is it. It was so good, so good, so good, so good. I enjoyed this food. Don't digress, promise, okay? Don't digress. Now, coming back to what we're saying, positivity. Yeah, the positive things I want to do more this year is I want to achieve more. I want to achieve more. The positive attitudes I want to indulge in more. Number one is changing my perspective. Yeah. You see, this year, I am changing my perspective. Because I know that my perspective has a powerful influence on my life and happiness. Okay, that is one. Number two, I will smile more and being kind to others the more. There's something I did this Christmas that I loved so much. Like, it added more, like, I feel fulfilled. I wish I could do it more. I put on my status that people that have children that couldn't, because I know people that don't have children have less ties. When you don't have a child, you have less responsibilities. That's what I think. So, and also, okay, let me look for people that have children. It's not just that they don't have what to eat, but they don't have what to give to these children that don't care to know anything. All they know is that, mommy, I'm hungry, daddy, I'm hungry, So I decided to be specific on that. People that have children that had nothing to eat. Oh God, it saddened my heart that, of a truth, as others are shopping for Christmas, celebrating, people that don't stay at home during Christmas are buying stuff, traveling, going to, there are some people that don't even have food. Oh, there are people that don't have even food to eat. Talk more of money to travel or other extra things to do, And when they contacted me, the little we did, these people were so happy. Oh my God. And there's this joy in me that at least through me, somebody was able to eat. Those children, you could see their smile, you could see their happiness. And I feel like doing that more. Oh my God. I feel like doing that more. I feel that, because I know, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, I feel like doing that more. I felt so good doing it. So smiling, I want to smile more, because I notice that every time I smile, people around me smile. In other words, it's communicable. When you smile, people around you smile. And when you frown, people around you frown. So you attract what you give. So I will smile more because I want people around me to smile, you know. Though, don't forget that there are people that don't, no matter what you do, they are, I don't know the name to give them. Like, they don't know joy at all. So that is number 2 thing I want to do more. Number 3 attitude I want to put more on me, on myself, is self-compassion. I want to practice. Remember, practice, not knowing or studying. Practice. This time I want to be a practical person. Anything I cannot do, I don't push it. So I want to be more practical with myself this year. So I want to practice self-compassion. Okay. You know, we are in this part of the world, we're too compassionate about others that we don't care about ourselves. You understand that kind of a thing? Where you want to make every other person feel good, every other person feel happy, but you are dying. That is what leads to some people to slump. You know, I want to practice more self-compassion. Oh girl, you've tried for the day, you can rest. Okay. Yeah, I can't imagine telling myself that, you know. Oh, baby girl, you've tried today. Go and shower and rest. Oh my God, this sounds so good. Yeah, or telling myself, oh, baby girl, you're beautiful today. You look good. You are looking good. Oh my God, baby girl, I like your clothes. Baby girl, I like your I like your what again? Everything. So that is it. I want to be doing that more. And not taking things personally. Yes, this year I don't want to take things personally. No. I don't want it again. Then being happy for the success of others. Oh my God. You see this year, any good thing you achieve, whether small or big, watch me. I am going to dance for you. I'm going to make, in short, I'm going to shout for joy. I'm going to dance. I'm going to, if possible, I will even make video for you. Yeah. This year, I am going to be very happy. Even fine clothes you wear, you see how I'll come and hug you and love you for wearing that fine clothes. That your beautiful scarf. Any little thing you do well this year, I am going to appreciate God for it. I'm going to dance for you. I'm going to be happy for you. Then, if you build house, oh boy, I am going to be very happy for the success of others this year. Yes. And I want to do it. This is the time also to plan. Remember, don't forget that video is coming up soon on this channel. Video of our plan. We're going to do this year's own practical. Last year, remember, if you've not watched that video, 2021, we did a video when we were entering 2022 about planning. And that teaching was superb. Many people contacted me, and those things that I taught them, they practiced it in 2022 and they did well. So don't forget, and in this channel, stay tuned. Next video that you see after this one is going to be that plan. So that we'll plan for the year. I love you so much. I love you. Don't forget, this is celebration time. Don't break the bank. 2022 is going, and 2023 has to be welcomed. And you're not going to welcome it with empty pockets or empty hands. So 2023, we are getting ready for you. Please don't please people. Don't overspend to please anyone. Nobody actually cares. You will find out this when you look for your money in your pocket and did not see it. Don't say I did not tell you. Don't say I did not warn you. Love you. I love you. I love you. Stay blessed.